Hey everyone, if you want Rclone to run automatically without manually starting every backup, sync, or file transfer, scheduling tasks is the way to go. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule Rclone tasks from start to finish in 2026. First, make sure Rclone is installed and fully configured. Before automating anything, verify that your Rclone commands work correctly when run manually. Next, decide which task you want to automate. Common examples include daily backups, cloud synchronization, file uploads, downloads, cloud-to-cloud transfers, and encrypted backup jobs. Before scheduling the task, test it several times manually to ensure it performs exactly as expected. On Windows, Task Scheduler is the most common option. It allows you to schedule tasks to run at specific times, intervals, or system events. On Linux and macOS, Cron is commonly used to automate recurring tasks. Create a new scheduled task and select the script you prepared earlier, and that's how to schedule Rclone tasks in 2026. With automation, logging, and proper testing, Rclone can handle backups, synchronization, and file transfers automatically while saving you time and effort. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.